Square New Year's Eve Ball. It's 12 feet in diameter and lit with more than 32,000 Philips Lexion LEDs. It weighs over 11,000 pounds and is covered in more than 2,000 Waterford crystal triangles, making this the largest crystal ball in the world. Hello, Times Square! Come on, you can do better than that. I said, hello, Times Square! I'm Don Blanton, your host for Times